Hi, in this video we are going to see how to send the video feed from your webcam to Unity3D. I made an old video about this years ago in 2017, but that video is updated and it used a very old Unity version. So now I'm going to make a new video, which is this one, in which I will show you how to do that in Unity 2022.3. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with the tutorial. First of all, you open Unity, and in the new scene, you can click here with the right button of your mouse, and you select Create Empty. You call it Pivot, you press Enter, and now you click on the pivot with the right button of your mouse, you select 3D Object and Cube, and you press Enter. So now you just created a cube in the three-dimensional space of the scene. And here we are going to change some properties. In the transform, you are going to add 180 on the y-axis of the rotation. And this is because when you will press play, it will appear upside down. Apart from this, we're going to create here a new material. So you go on over here in the project, and with the right button of your mouse, you select Create, and then Material, and you call it Camera. Press Enter, and here you will have to select a shader. You select Unlit Texture, and this is going to be the material in which the camera feed will be sent to. Now you select the camera, you drag and drop it into the cube. Click on the cube, and you will see that you just associated the camera material to the cube. This way, we are going to show the camera feed in the cube. At this point, you need two scripts. Click here, and then you select Create, C#, and then you call it authorizer, the first script, and okay, here I already have the script here. I just show you how to create it. We can rename it to another name. And we will have to change the name also here. Now you create another script. Create C# webcam setup. Okay, now you select the script and you drag and drop it into the cube. And it will appear here. This means that you just associated the script with the cube. And when you will press play, this script will be executed. And you're going to do the same thing with authorizer. You can drag and drop it here, or you can drag and drop it here. Now we are going to edit these scripts. I already have them open, but you can double click on them and it will open Visual Studio. So here I already have the code, so I will just copy and paste it, and then I will explain it. Okay, the first script, authorizer, is just to give permissions to basically use the webcam. So you create a new game object, you initialize it, this is the constructor, and then this is just to detect if you're using the Unity web player. In case you're using a device, like a mobile device, this will be different. So you will have to look for the specific code for your device. and then you set active, the suspended object. Now here we're missing a parenthesis. Okay, and this is the first script. Once you add this, you can save. And this will be run only once at the beginning when you press play. Now we are going to open webcam setup. So you double click on it. And also here, I already have the script. So we'll just copy, paste it there. And save. So here we have a webcam texture in this class. And we are going to use this texture to display the video field. So we create a new device. I call it my device, and I use the constructor. So I have two cameras here, and I want to select the type of camera that I want. And in this case, I will display all the cameras that are available, and I will select one here. So for example, to understand better this one, we can already try to press play. And here is the video feed. And you can see in the console that the for loop here displays all the webcam I have. Okay, let's stop. So here it displayed all the names of the webcams. And I already know that I want the integrated webcam, this one. It starts from 0, so this is the 0, which is the first element in this array. But I don't want this one, I want this one. So I will select the element number 1. Then at this point, I initialize the webcam texture, and in the constructor, I specify that I want the webcam with this name, which again is this one, integrated webcam. Then I initialize a renderer, and I assign the material, well, the texture on the material, and it press play. And all of this is executed only once when you press play. You save. Then at this point, you are ready to go. You save the scene. And you press play. And here it is. Here you can also change some settings. You can make it bigger. You can make the cube bigger. You save again, and you try again with play. And the video feed will be bigger, basically. So depending on the resolution of the webcam, this video feed might be more performant or not. And if you want to, if it is a bit laggy or anyway not very smooth, you can go on the Unity documentation, and you notice here I use this constructor, but you can use also another one specifying also the width and the height. And if you reduce the size of the texture, it should be more smooth, the video feed. So that's pretty much it. And in the description of this video, you will find this link to the official documentation, as well as other links of other videos I created. If this video was useful to you, add a like on this video and subscribe. Bye.